Hi there. Real quick before we jump into the episode. If you enjoy this episode, or any of the other episodes, be sure to give us a follow or subscribe. It would also be great if you shared it with a friend, or better yet, left a review so others can know how awesome it is. Thanks so much. And now, the episode.
Hey there, Press Starters, and welcome to the Press Start Leadership Podcast, the podcast about game-changing leadership, teaching you how to get the most out of your product and development team and become the leader you were meant to be. Leadership coaching and training for the international game industry professional. Now, let me introduce you to your host, the man, the myth, the legend, Christopher Mifsud.
Hey there, Press Starters, and welcome back to another awesome edition of the Press Start Leadership Podcast. On this week's episode, we'll be discussing harmonizing pixels with peace, comprehensive meditation techniques for leaders in the video game industry. From basic to advanced, a journey through meditation for enhanced leadership in the gaming world. In the bustling realm of the video game industry, where innovation meets tight deadlines, the role of a leader can be as challenging as it is rewarding. Amidst the pressure to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving field, leaders often find themselves seeking balance and clarity. Meditation emerges as a beacon of tranquility and focus, offering tools to navigate the complexities of leadership with a centered and composed mindset. In this extensive guide, we'll explore meditation techniques tailored for leaders at various levels, from beginners to advanced practitioners, within the video game industry. Understanding meditation and its benefits for leaders. The essence of meditation. Meditation involves training the mind to focus and redirect thoughts, fostering an enhanced state of awareness and calmness. It's a practice that transcends mere relaxation, delving into the depths of mental clarity and emotional stability. Why meditation for game industry leaders? Leaders in the video game industry often grapple with high-stress environments, creative blocks, and the need for constant innovation. Meditation offers a way to enhance focus, boost creativity, manage stress, and improve decision-making skills, all crucial traits for effective leadership in this dynamic sector. Basic meditation techniques for beginners. Starting with mindfulness meditation. A foundational practice, mindfulness meditation involves paying attention to your breath while observing thoughts and sensations without judgment. It's about being present in the moment. Find a quiet space. Sit in a comfortable position. Focus on your breath, the inhalation and exhalation. As thoughts come, observe them without engagement and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Body scan meditation. This technique involves mentally scanning your body for areas of tension and consciously relaxing them. Beneficial for leaders to unwind after a long day of decision making and team management. Lie down or sit comfortably. Close your eyes and start focusing on your toes, gradually moving up through each part of your body. Notice any tension and breathe into these areas, encouraging relaxation. Visualization meditation. Visualization is a powerful tool for leaders to maintain focus on their goals and aspirations. It involves picturing a relaxing scene or visualizing achieving a certain goal. In a quiet space, close your eyes and imagine a scene that's calming. A beach, a forest, or any place that brings peace. Alternatively, visualize achieving a specific goal and the emotions associated with the success. Intermediate meditation practices. Loving kindness meditation, metta meditation. This practice involves cultivating an attitude of love and kindness towards everything, even sources of stress. It's particularly beneficial for leaders to foster empathy and improve team dynamics. Begin by focusing on your breath. Then, silently repeat phrases of goodwill and kindness towards yourself and then towards others, including friends, strangers, and even those you may have conflicts with. Mantra meditation. Mantra meditation uses a repetitive sound or phrase to clear the mind. It can be a powerful tool for leaders seeking deeper levels of concentration and tranquility. Choose a word or phrase that's meaningful to you. Repeat this mantra silently in your mind, letting the repetition guide you to a deeper state of relaxation and focus. Progressive relaxation. Often used to reduce stress, this technique involves tightening and then relaxing different muscle groups. It's effective for leaders needing to decompress after high-pressure situations. Start at your feet and work your way up. Tighten each muscle group for 5 seconds, then relax for 30 seconds, noticing the sensation of release in each part of your body. Advanced meditation techniques. Zazen, Zen meditation. Originating from Buddhist practices, Zen meditation requires more discipline and practice, making it suitable for advanced practitioners. It involves precise postures and breath control to achieve a deep state of meditation. Sit on the floor in a lotus or semi-lotus position. Keep your back straight, hands in the cosmic mudra, and breathe slowly from your abdomen, maintaining alertness and focus. Transcendental meditation. This technique goes beyond the conscious thought process to assess deeper levels of the mind. It's a more personalized form of meditation that requires training from a qualified instructor. Learn from a certified teacher who will provide a personalized mantra. Use this mantra in a seated position for 20 minutes twice a day, allowing your mind to transcend active thought processes. Kundalini yoga. Kundalini combines meditation, breathing techniques, and physical postures to awaken the energy at the base of the spine. It's an invigorating practice that enhances mental clarity and energy levels. Practice under the guidance of a skilled instructor and involves specific sets of exercises, kriyas, meditation, and chanting. Meditation offers a versatile array of techniques that suit the varied needs of leaders in the video game industry. From basic practices to ease into the world of meditation to advanced techniques for deeper exploration, those methods provide a pathway to enhance mental clarity, creativity, and emotion stability. Whether navigating the challenges of game development or steering a team towards success, incorporating these meditation techniques can be transformative. Continuing from the foundation laid in the first half of our guide, we now move forward into integrating these meditation practices into the daily routine of a game studio leader. This section will explore the challenges of maintaining a consistent meditation practice and delve into innovative meditation technologies that align with the dynamic nature of the video game industry. Integrating meditation into daily leadership. Establishing a routine. Consistency is key in meditation. As a leader, setting a fixed time for meditation, be it early morning, during the lunch breaks, or before bedtime, helps in developing a habit. Short, daily sessions can be more beneficial than longer sessions done sporadically. Mindful leadership activities. Incorporate brief mindful exercises into your leadership activities. For instance, practice a minute of deep breathing before a meeting or a quick body scan after a long session of work. This not only helps in staying centered, but also sets a positive example for the team. Meditation and decision making. Before making significant decisions, a brief period of meditation can clear the mind and improve focus. This allows for decisions that are not just reactive, but more thoughtful and balanced. Overcoming challenges in meditation practice. Dealing with distractions. Distractions are a common challenge, especially in a fast-paced work environment. Acknowledge distractions as part of the process. Gently refocus your attention back to your breath and meditation techniques each time your mind wanders. Finding time amidst a busy schedule. For busy leaders, finding time for meditation can be a hurdle. Utilize even the briefest moments, like the time spent waiting for a meeting to start or a few minutes during a break, for quick mindfulness exercises. Keeping the practice interesting. To prevent your meditation routine from becoming monotonous, experiment with different techniques. This could include guiding meditations, using different mantras, or changing your meditation environment. Advanced mindfulness strategies for complex situations. Meditation in high-stress scenarios. During periods of intense pressure, such as game launches or critical project phases, mindfulness can be a lifesaver. Practice focused breathing techniques to maintain calm and clear-headedness during these high-stress times. Mindfulness for creative inspiration. Use meditation to tap into your creative mindset. Techniques like visualization meditation can be particularly effective in imagining new game concepts or solving complex design problems. Empathy and compassion meditation. As a leader, fostering empathy towards team members and understanding their perspectives is vital. Practices like loving kindness meditation can cultivate a sense of empathy and improve interpersonal relationships within the team. Leveraging technology for meditation. meditation apps and tools. Leverage technology to enhance your meditation practice. Apps like Headspace or Calm offer guided meditations, progress tracking, and reminders to keep you consistent. Virtual reality meditation. Explore the world of VR meditation for a more immersive experience. VR meditation programs can transport you to calming environments, making the practice more engaging and effective. Biofeedback devices. Biofeedback devices can be a valuable tool for advanced practitioners. These devices provide real-time data on physiological responses during meditation, such as heart rate and brainwave patterns, allowing for a more tailored and effective practice. Building a mindful team culture. Group meditation sessions. Organize regular group meditation sessions for your team. This not only helps in reducing overall stress levels, but also strengthens team bonds. Mindfulness training workshops. Invest in mindfulness training workshops for your team. These workshops can provide your team with tools to manage stress, enhance focus, and improve productivity. Encouraging personal practice. Encourage your team members to develop their meditation practices. Offer resources or time during work hours for meditation and mindfulness activities. The future of mindful leadership in the gaming industry. Continuous learning and adaptation. The field of mindfulness is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest research and techniques in mindfulness to continuously adapt and enhance your practice. The ripple effect of mindful leadership. As you incorporate mindfulness into your leadership style, you'll likely notice a ripple effect in your studio. A calm, focused, and compassionate leader can significantly influence the studio's culture, leading to a more harmonious and productive work environment. Pioneering mindful practices in the industry. Embrace the role of a pioneer in integrating mindfulness into the gaming industry. Share your experiences and learnings at industry events and forums, contributing to a broader shift towards mindful practices in the industry. Final thoughts. Embarking on the journey of mindfulness as a leader in the video game industry is both a personal and professional endeavor. It requires dedication, adaptability, and an open mind. By integrating meditation into your leadership toolkit, you are setting the stage for a work environment that values clarity, creativity, and well-being. This not only benefits you and your team on a personal level, but also enhances the overall quality and success of your projects. As you continue to explore and deepen your meditation practice, remember that the journey is as rewarding as the destination. The skills and insights gained through mindfulness will be an invaluable asset in your leadership journey, helping you navigate the exciting yet challenging world of game development with grace and effectiveness. All right, and that's this week's episode of Press Start Leadership Podcast. Thanks for listening, and as always, thanks for being awesome. Oh, hi there. The episode's over, but thanks for sticking around till the end. If you're on the quest to elevate your team's leadership, production, or game design capabilities, I'm here to assist. Leveraging extensive experience and a strategic approach, I offer personalized audits, bespoke workshops, and leadership retreat facilitation to drive your team toward excellence. My commitment is to provide efficient, reliable, and proven support, ensuring you have the tools and insights needed to thrive. Ready to unlock your team's full potential and achieve unparalleled success? Don't hesitate to press start on your journey to transformation today. Feel free to reach out directly to discuss how we can tailor a solution to meet your unique needs and goals. Let's connect and take your team's performance to the next level.